We are coming to you from Stonebridge Golf and Country Club in Boca Raton, Florida today. I brought in the big guns today. I got in Ginge. Yeah, high five. Good job. You ready to do this? If you're thinking about buying or installing a new vinyl floor, you're going to want to watch today's video first. We are going to go over everything from installation basics to what to look for in a vinyl floor. From locking systems to color variations, we're going to cover it all. Plus, you're going to want to stay to the end of the video to get a special offer on this beautiful vinyl floor we are installing in the video. Hi, welcome back to my channel, Jones Knows. My name is Tim. I'm a flooring and stair contractor, and we are coming to you from Boca Raton, Florida today. We have an awesome vinyl floor that we want to show you, so you're not going to want to miss today's video. So without any further ado, let's hit it.
Hey, what do you say? This whole town could be red by the end of the day. If you feel alright, we can throw it and drive. With the radio up so loud they can hear us from now.
We had some special carpet in this one. Look at this stuff. I'm glad they don't make too much carpet like this anymore. Alright, getting started with our vinyl floor, and it is a must whenever you're doing vinyl. You have to put a vapor barrier down. All manufacturers require it if you want to iron your warranty. And the best thing to use is 6mm poly. The bigger the roll, the better, the less seams you'll have. We're using a 10-foot wide vapor barrier today because of all the furniture in the room, but they come up to 20 feet wide. I get clients that buy them from the manufacturer because they think it's going to be better, and they're 5 or 6 feet wide. Think of all the unnecessary seams you're going to have. With a 20-foot wide vapor barrier, chances are you're going to have no seams and no chances for moisture to get in. So one of my favorite things about this floor, I like a lot of things about it, but one of the favorite things from an installation standpoint is the fact that it has a true 4-sided locking system on it. That means that our end joints and long joints all lock in place. Unlike a drop-in lock floor, that might be quicker to install and easier to install. You don't have to worry about the ends actually opening up over time. It's a more professional installation, and I don't worry about it at all. Also a nice wide plank floor, and it's a very consistent look, not a high variation floor. High variation used to be really popular, but these low variation floors give you that consistent look. People love it, and decorators love it, and it's what's in style now. So when purchasing any flooring, you'll definitely want to see a room scene, a picture of what it looks like in your room, or at least buy a box or open up a whole box to make sure that all the boards are a consistent look, or at least the kind of look that you want. Because one board samples aren't going to depict the whole room scene once you're done installing. And as you can see, even though it's a 4-sided locking system, it goes in really quick. You don't have to worry about smacking those ends down. Some of the cheaper end lock floors, actually the ends break if they're not in the exact place that you want them to be also. This is what I call foolproof. Once it's in, it's in. What you see is what you get. Are you interested in this wide plank high-end vinyl floor? Well, make sure you stay to the end of the video to find out about the special offer we have on this floor. Unfortunately, we have a lot of furniture here. So people ask me what we do with furniture all the time. This is called shifting the furniture. We put all the furniture to one side of the room, then we'll lay this side of the room, and once we get to here, we'll shift all the furniture onto the completed floor, and then we'll finish our room. Unfortunately, in here, we're not able to go under these built-in closets, so we're going to have to go ahead and find a matching quarter round, either something that matches the floor or something that matches the color of the built-ins. Now let's go ahead and take a look at 2 different completed closets and how we handled each one differently. I found a trim that actually looks like it was meant to go with this floor, even though I had to get it aftermarket. The floor has all the matching accessories except for quarter round, because most people don't go with matching quarter round anymore, except for when you have a situation like this and you have a closet or a built-in that you have to put some kind of trim around. This room here, we were able to get it under the built-ins because they were pretty high, unlike the other room where They were on the ground, and they put the carpet around them. But check out the wide plank, what it does. The wider plank actually makes the rooms look bigger. Makes them look wider because of the wide plank, and longer because of the length of the planks. You need to get a wide angle lens to get that whole hallway in. Look at that. So consider this before you buy your new vinyl floor. Studies show, even in smaller rooms, wider plank floors will make your room look bigger. I think we did a really nice job matching, or I should say complementing the tile or stone in the rest of the house. Look how nicely that flows together. But what's really awesome about it is the finish. It has a matted finish on it, and it's a very, very consistent look, very luxurious look. It reminds me of a high-end Chateau floor that I do quite a bit of. Now this floor comes in 8 colors, and if you're interested in having us do your vinyl and you don't have your vinyl already, check it out. We're running a special on this. Check out this price. Be sure to mention this video to receive our special offer on this wide plank vinyl flooring. But if you already have your floor, you already bought it, we're happy to install any floor that you already have. And we work throughout the state of Florida. We live in South Florida, but for the right job, we'll go anywhere in Florida or in the country or in the world if the job is right. What do you think? Wide plank, long plank? It checks all the boxes, and I love it. I'm going to recommend this floor to all my clients. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out all of our other content. We have lots of great videos just like this. We show you how to install floors, we review floors, we show you staircases, and much, much more. So please like, share, tell your friends and family, and of course, if you already haven't, take out your favorite floor mount and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss any future content. Thanks for watching. You already got a toy today. 1 toy per day. What? Fine, get one. Go. No sleeping on the job. Hey, no sleeping on the job. What are you doing? What are you doing? Come on. Come on out, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go look. Oh, you're gonna make me come to your side. You are such a lady. Where are my manners? Well, excuse me, Mrs. Ginger. May I take you now? Yes, you don't like to be rushed. I know. Come on, let's go peek in here. Hey, get back to work. What are you doing? Get that, get that. Come on. Don't just lay there. Don't be lazy. Don't look at me like that. What about these boxes? Get them and take them out to the truck. You are way too demanding, let me tell you. Way too demanding. Am I not going quick enough? Am I not going fast enough for you?